Well, it looks like the camera's working okay. I've just tried it on my computer. By the way, happy Easter. It is Easter Sunday. Later on, we're going to be going on a helicopter ride. I'm going to try this camera. My wife's going to take the other Polaroid down with me. Everybody else is having their Easter eggs. There's Callum tucking into his right now. Let me see if I can zoom in. There you go. Yeah, look at that, eh? Up close and personal. Don't see you shaking your head.
Blades are champions!
Blades are champions, you're right. There'll be a lot of blades we're very happy to go over today. Zoom back out again. That's too much of Callum. There we go. That's well.
YouTuber ever.
His best YouTuber ever. His mum's told him to shut up. What? Anyway, yeah, later on we're going on a helicopter ride. I'm going to be taking this one inside me with the helicopter, and hopefully everything should be job done. I'm just going to check on the website right now. It said it were still flying, it was still available and all this lot, so let me just quickly go on Facebook while I'm with you just to see if it's still operational, because the weather's took a turn for the worse a little bit. It's a bit cloudy. It's just started raining when I just nipped out to the shop. Let me have a look. Oh, I don't want to go there. I want to go into my emails, because it takes you straight to the page where the Facebook page is. Let me have a look. Facebook adventure. Right, let's have a look then. We shall scroll down. That's the page. It's Adventure 001. That's the one. So let's have a look. Just see. Northwest pleasure flights are postponed. Oh dear. Beverly. Hey, look at that. Flights are going ahead based on the current weather forecast. Please check in at your scheduled time. It is imperative you check back again before you leave home for your flight in case of any further weather updates. Please remember to bring your ID, boarding pass and flight voucher with you. Electronic formats are acceptable. So yeah, that is that. Awesome. That is ready to go still. We've still got to check it when we, just before we leave. Hopefully it's not like this one here, Flight Departures North Weald, Essex, that has been postponed. Poor flying conditions. But Beverly is where we're going, and yes, it's still available. So come on. Right then guys, just had my dinner, devoured it in about 2 minutes. It was absolutely gorgeous as normal. I've got my helicopter buzz ride card ready. There you go. Wonder if it's that one we're going in. Who knows? Hope I get to be at the front, that'd be awesome, because I'll be right next to the pilot. If not, I'll be with some others at the back, hopefully near the window. I'll try and get near the window because we can get some really good video shots. So yeah, should be absolutely awesome. It's now 1:10. I will be leaving in about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. Just going to try and let my dinner settle, because I don't want to be bringing it all back up again. We're going up and down and here, zooming here, there and everywhere. So yeah, hopefully it should be a very, very good day. Right then guys, we're just about to set off. We've got his ID, well I've got my ID, got all my cameras, my phones and everything that I need, and we shall see you in a little bit. Bye.
Right then guys, as you can see, we're in the car and it's showing the weather. Look at it now. I hope this doesn't affect my clients. Hopefully not. Might have to check on Facebook in a bit, see whether it's going or not. All being well, everything should be okie dokie.
Alright, we're just having a quick coffee before we go up in the helicopter. Joyce, this is going to be a tribute to you. I'm going to try and reach up to you in the skies. Alright then, darling. You're with Norman now, so this is for you. I'm going to see if I can see you and Norman. Alright? Love you. Bye. Well, numbers 28 and 29 have just gone in. I'm number 32, so it shouldn't be much longer, guys. Getting excited now. And yes, it is still raining. Not good, but there you go. I don't care. It's a helicopter ride. Yay! That is what I'm going on. How good is that? Flights 30 and 31 have just gone on, and like I said earlier, I'm 32, so it shouldn't be much longer. I'd say about another 10 minutes or so. Jobs are good. Right then guys, we're just at the helipad now. Well, I'll call it a helipad, it's just a grass field, so it shouldn't be too long now. The helicopter's coming in now, so whichever one goes in first, I think it's 31 I think that's going in first, so it shouldn't be too long now guys.
down behind the tree. Going out the other side into the clouds.
Everybody can see us. London, huh?
There he is.
Well, that was absolutely awesome. I'm not kidding, that was fantastic. I was gonna leave you, like, we're talking to pilot and everything, but there was no point, because as you see, I have got a headgear on, and there was only me really talking to the pilot, and you guys wouldn't have been able to hear the pilot anyway. And my wife is showing me the picture there. There's me with the headphones on, next in the front seat as well.
Next to the pilot.
Next to the pilot. That was absolutely outstanding. I'm telling you, if you want to go on this, $39.99, the cheapest and best 5 minutes you'll ever have. Awesome.
From Argos.
From Argos, but you can go on their website. I will put a link at the top of the description. Adventure001.com. Like I said, I'll put a link at the top of the description. Click on it, get on it. You're gonna love it, guys. Right, we're gonna set off now. We've got about an hour's journey ahead of us, so I shall see you in a bit. Alright then, guys, we just got back. Well, I've been back about half hour now. Took about an hour and 20 minutes to get back, something like that. Yeah, trust me, guys. If you want an awesome experience, you're not afraid of heights or anything, get your sent on a helicopter. Yeah, it was only 5-6 minutes, but it was absolutely fantastic. I was buzzing after that, I'm telling you now. Like I said before, I'll put a link in the top of the description for the website. Go and click on it, have a look. Like I say, Adventure 001, awesome. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Now get this in on there and have a go. And I'm telling you now, I'm going to book one later on in the year for me and my lad. Or the wife's going to book it because she's going to have it do it as for an early birthday present. And we're going a little bit longer this time, for about 15 minutes. And I'm telling you, it will be absolutely awesome. Right, I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Might be up a little bit late today because I've got quite a lot of editing to do. There's quite a few bits and bobs on here on both cameras, so that's what I'll have to do. So I'll leave a link up there for my channel if you want to click on that and subscribe. That would be awesome. Yeah, I'll leave a link there for my previous channel if you want to click on that, watch it, like it and share it. That'd be awesome. Alright, I'll see you later guys. Love all my little pictures. Bye.
Models popping bottles.